Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you all planner that I made for 2022. Before starting with the video, I want to tell you all that I leave down the link to planners I made last year. I had made two planners. One was minimalistic and one was like normal. So you can check that out as well for more ideas. It is different from what I have made this year. So without any further ado, let's get started with this planner. So I prefer making planners rather than buying them ready made, as they are much cheaper also, and you can customize as per your preferences, and this brings out creativity in you. I have used this notebook from Factor Notes, which is a dotted 90 GSM 192 pages, and it is orange in color. You also get various color shades, but for me, cover really didn't matter as I wanted to customize it. So the original cost of this is 599 rupees, but I got it for around 299 from Flipkart. It is also available on Amazon. I'll leave down the link in the description box. I will suggest you all to use dot green notebook as it saves a lot of time, and also it's quite neater compared to if you use unruled notebook, which I had used last year, and that took me a lot of time in drawing lines, etc. And I have used pilot pen and a normal pencil, rubber, ruler, etc. for the accessories to make this penner. So first I had done this rough lines all over it, as you all can see. So the rough drawing, which then I did with the normal Luxor pen. I wanted the cover to be lavender, so I found this image on Pinterest, which I took the printout of it and I cut them into small pieces as it was in vertical. Mm, and then I stick it all over the planner. So that's the same way I made even behind, and I've just stick that washi tape at side so the stickers don't come out. Now moving on to the first page of the planner. On this I have put vision board because I wanted it to be on the first. When I open, I wanted to see it, because last year when I had made a vision board and whatever pictures I had put, like, they actually came true. So that's the reason I wanted it there. I have just put washi tapes at side, and these are the stickers which I have put vision board. All this I got from Etsy Bitsy. They are the stickers with the letters, and you can it have glue at backside, you can directly stick them. And this is the place plain page where I'll put all the photos. And the next page I have index, like all the things are mentioned, where is the order of what is it, like first vision board, then index, then about me, etc. So that's all there on the first page. I just did drawings with my hands, and a washi tapes for decoration. Then I have about me section. I really like to make this about me sections because I feel that your preferences change over time. Like last year, what was my favorite may not be this year, and I keep my journal so I get to see what was my favorites and all. Next page I have made goals. Now goals are very important section, so I just divided them. So at first I have made like a major part wherein I'll uh, put like main goals. Then I have divided them into half, like first half and the second half of the year. So that gives it a roadmap kind of, like which are more priority wise I'll describe from the main goals. And then I have divided them quarterly. So if you all do it like this, then it gives you like a proper roadmap which goal you need to be doing first and how you need to be doing that. So it's just that you are breaking down your major goals into different parts. Next I have a yearly calendar, like monthly, and below that only I have kept space where I can write my monthly to-do list, because based on the goals behind, I can look at my main aim, main goal, and then I can break down my monthly to-do list. So that's how I have made this. And I have just put washi tapes and drawn those boxes with hands. Next page is something like I made for myself, like just to check my YouTube journey, like how many subscribers I have. That I'll put in January, I'll put in the first box. Then what are the views that I'm getting, etc. So same for the other diet channel that I have. If you all have not subscribed my both the channels, please consider subscribing them. I'll leave down the link of the other channel in the description box below. Then moving on to the next page, I have made books I have read. Like last year I had kept a full page, which then I realized that was not needed because I didn't read so many books. Hardly I read one book a month or two. So then I kept half for that and half for achievements, where I'll be writing whatever I achieve in that particular year. Now starts the monthly cover, and that I have just decorated with washi tapes. Monthly cover I have drawn with my hands, inspired from Pinterest. And this is like every month there is a different cover, and there is also a calendar below where I'll be marking birthdays. For that I didn't make a separate column or separate page. If you all want, you all can keep, because there are many pages remaining. Even a period tracker I'll be marking on this calendar itself. Last year I had made a separate page for period tracker, birthday tracker, etc. This year I decided I'll put it right there only. I have put key behind, so which color is for birthdays, etc. Then on next page I have habit tracker that I have decorated with washi tapes, and I just did the circles with the compass, and I divided them, and accordingly I have put date. Like say suppose on first I do something, like say suppose exercise, then I'll put that in the round exercise, and then if I have done then I'll mark it. If I have not done then I'll not mark that particular day. So that's how it works. You can also make like table form. Then there is a dream log and sleep tracker. So I didn't keep a sleep tracker where I have to shade, because I don't end up doing that. I have noticed that last year. So I'll just be putting on first how many hours, like time from this time to that time I have slept. So that's all I'll be putting. And on the other side, that is dream log, I'll be writing down if I get any dreams and all. That's very interesting thing to look back later. Then I have gratitude log, wherein I'll be writing things I'm grateful for. I made this heart with the stickers that I had, so I just kept that and drew at the side of it. Then there is favorites. So here I'll be writing favorite quotes, and I realized that there are a lot of song lyrics that I also end up liking. So I'll put that also over here. So I kept that one page for this. Then is mood tracker. This year I didn't make a mood tracker like full yearly, because I just wanted to try this differently. So there is one each date I'll put it over there, and I'll color. I have written the key behind, and down I'll be writing day in one word. So like it shouldn't exceed more than one word, so that will bring out like I'll learn more words also. Then on the next page starts my weeks, like this is the first week and how many days are there. So in the weekly section, where I have put that hello tape and the sticker, on that I'll be writing my weekly plan to-do list, and then daily, like first second what I have to do, to-do list for daily. Same way for the week 2, and then week 3, week 4, week 5, like that. Okay, and then the space is remaining there. It's just like for extra notes and all that here and there. So now same way for February, the thing is same further, only the cover, monthly cover changes, otherwise everything is same. It took me around a month, less than a month to make this. So even if you'll start making it now, y'all will get it by your new year. It's a very good idea to make planner by yourself. You'll save up lot of money also, and you're also becoming like more creative. You're bringing out creativity in yourself. So I'll just show you all the flip through of everything what I have made, so you can do something similar to this, or else you can check my last year's planners also, that there you will get some different ideas as well. Then once the monthly pages are over, I have key over here like birthdays, mood and everything. And then I have this brain dump pages, and before that I have routine, like I'll just be writing what which routine I follow in morning and all that, or which I want to follow. And also there is this folder type at the back for this notebook, which is very good to store your things. And there is this page markers also. So this is a very good thing to store your important papers and all. And then behind again with the same thing I have decorated, and this is just to close like this the book. It's a very good notebook. You can try out the same notebook and make. There are a lot of pages remaining also. I'll leave down link of everything in the description box.